If you've ever had the misfortune of dealing with a ransomware attack, you'll know that it can take days, if not weeks, to fully recover. With N-able EDR, we give MSPs and ITPros the opportunity to restore that data within minutes, sometimes even within seconds. Our EDR solution utilizes Microsoft's VSS writers. These VSS writers will create snapshots of your data and store them locally on the machine. With our anti-tamper module, these VSS snapshots are protected from malware, which is designed to try and delete it. Now let's show you what this recovery will look like on a real device. Here we have a device that we're just about to infect with ransomware. Because we have N-able EDR deployed into detect-only mode, we're not going to quarantine this threat, we're going to monitor what it does. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see my corporate data and my website images are just about to become encrypted. Some additional files and folders are also going to be created as part of the ransomware track. All those changes are going to be processed and monitored by SentinelOne. At this point, what you'll normally do is send a technician out on site. They'll disconnect the device from the network, they'll reinstall the operating system, and they'll recover that data from backup. And that could take a whole day. If you have several machines infected, your remediation and downtime could be significantly longer. With N-able EDR, we're going to look to recover that data within minutes, if not seconds. Within the management console, you'll see all the changes that were processed are uploaded to the management console. All the files that were changed, modified, deleted. All the processes that were created. All the registry key changes. All this information is stored within the management console, meaning that we can initiate the recovery. So let's show you how to do this. From the Analyze tab, simply choose the attack that you want to reverse. Go into Threat Actions, and then we can just initiate the rollback. Once we initiate the rollback, remote commands are sent to the local device to initiate that recovery. We will look to kill and quarantine any executables, kill any running processes, and we'll look at all the changes that were made to the files, and we will restore them using the snapshots that were previously taken and protected by N-able EDR. This process can take seconds, if not, it'll be a minute or two. And this is the remediation completed.